You guys, there is a new case out of Massachusetts. This case has everything. The most important thing about it, there's no dead kids. I really, really personally appreciate a case where nobody has killed their children. Those are kind of my favorite. So this is a police case. It's a case of the state of Massachusetts versus Karen Read, but it's not the kind of police case you think it is. So Karen Read's boyfriend, whose name I do not recall, Karen's dating this dude who's a drunk, with all due respect to drunks, but he's a drunk. And I know from drunks because I used to be one. Not, imagine if I drank now, right? Like, I'm this crazy with 27 years of sobriety. Could you imagine all of this on alcohol? It was not good. Anyway, also, my dad was a cop when I was growing up. I mean, he was a cop. Anyway, he's not a cop now, mostly because he's dead. So, Karen Read is dating this alcoholic police officer. They go to a bar. They have a good time. Everything is fine. The bar closes down. Karen drops him off at a friend's house. The friend is another police officer and his family. And then she goes home to take care of the kids. After a few hours, she's like, where are you? How come you're not home yet? And she text messages him a zillion times trying to find out where he is. Finally, she drives back over to the friend's house looking for him, and she says, I found him here dead in the snow. And so the cops did a whole investigation. Karen's doing CPR. She's hysterical. She's trying to bring him back. He's very, very dead. And the cops are like, wait, we think you killed him. Your tail light is busted. And she's like, but I didn't kill him. And they're like, So they start bringing charges. The case is working its way through the system. It's about to go to trial. And then there's shocking new evidence that's discovered. That is that the people inside the house, the sister-in-law of one of the people inside the house, had apparently done a search on their phone. How long does it take somebody to die in the cold? She made that search before Karen even knew her boyfriend was missing. This is exculpatory evidence. I do not know what exculpatory means, but I know it's important because I've seen that in other cases. You're supposed to hand that over. That evidence was not handed over to the defense. Listen, half the defense attorneys that I see, like Lori Vallow Daybell's defense attorney, is like, hi, I'm just here doing my job. Please, I'm just trying to make sure all the rules get followed. Don't hurt me. This defense attorney, he knows he has an innocent client and he is losing his mind. And I love somebody who's passionate. And this man happens to be passionate about the law. That's one of my favorite things. He is on every news station. He's on every podcast. He is on everything. Like, oh, no. What you're not going to do is put my innocent client in jail. And let me tell you why. And so right now he's out in these streets poisoning the jury pool by giving this information. Like, because really? He's kind of just poisoning the jury pool. Because now, honestly, this woman has a punchable face. Karen, she might be innocent. I don't like her face. Not that she's unattractive. She's actually very attractive. She's just like one of these women with a squinched up face. But I don't think you should go to prison for having a squinched up face. Listen, I have a bad attitude and I use a lot of curse words. That don't mean I should go to prison. That means I should probably, get my life together. But prison, not a part of that. So we have to see what happens in the coming weeks. The next court appearance is May 3rd. Will the judge throw this case out? Will everybody get sanctioned? I do not know what sanctioned means, but I know it's something that they do in court. I am dying to know what happens next. Did these cops set this woman up to take the fall because they killed her boyfriend? Also, the dead cop had his face was all beat up and there were scratches like he had been in a fist fight. Did these drunk dudes get in a fist fight and throw him out in the snow because he said something crazy and they just left him there to die? What is going to happen? Listen, I am all over this case. This case has everything. I'm so excited. I could not be more excited. Okay, so the people of the state of Massachusetts versus Karen Read. Keep your channels tuned here to me on YouTube or Court TV or probably everybody, because that lawyer, he gonna be everywhere talking about this case. I don't even remember the lawyer's name, but I'll know it the next time I talk about it. I'll see you then. Bye.